So I started a little bit today without you guys. But every day we get a little some type of progress done. Actually, I had to cut the shit out of this right here to get that to actually fit. But I don't know how this radiator thing's gonna work. We're gonna figure that part out when we get there. But yeah, I was actually doing my wideband gauges instead of throttle bolt. You know how that go. Started my boost gauge vacuum line with the wideband out so far. Got my oil pressure power wire going already. Just gotta run that. Got it chilling right there in solenoid. Yep. Connect that, but in here I couldn't record and do it at the same time, so I just did it off chart. So it was messy until you get somewhere close to where you need to be. Essentially, you get the exhaust, plug it in. But we got some gauges. We're gonna finish marking them up, but just kind of got it chilling for now. That's how what I'm going for. Got a lot of wires. I don't want the car eventually gets power. You start hooking them up where it gotta go, the fuse spots, yada yada yada. And of course I had to, it's not like the EK, the side panel right here comes off itself. This whole shit in the EG is fucking difficult. So I had to do a little cutout, a little port, tuck, yada yada. But hey, shit closed with ease. So that's where we're at today. At least so far. Let's get this fucking K on the go. Next, actually, I was supposed to put the other drill slotted over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the drill slotted over here. Put that over there. I have one more gauge to run, which is my coolant, my water temperature, coolant temp. Make sure my shit don't overheat. We're good.